Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change profile picture on REDnote. So first of all, open up your REDnote application. Now on your REDnote application, you have to tap on your profile icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, first of all, you have to make sure that you have linked your phone number with the REDnote application, because if you haven't linked your phone number to the REDnote application, then you won't be able to change your profile picture. So once you have already done that, you have to tap on your avatar or your profile picture that is present right beside your username. Now over here, a new menu will appear in front of you. So you have to tap on upload new avatar. Once you do that, it will redirect you to your gallery. So from here, you very simply have to select the picture that you wish to add as your profile picture. So for example, I will be using this one. Then you have to click on the red button that is present on the bottom right corner of your screen. So everyone, now as you can see, by doing this I have easily changed my profile picture on REDnote application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.